I am doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving away hundreds of gift cards to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video.
Yo, what is going on YouTube? So I am back with an updated Shein coupon code video today. I'm going to be showing you the best promo codes for Shein, allowing you to get $100 off your next order. So you simply grab the code, redeem it in the basket, and it is going to supply you with $100. So before I show you these codes, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I am always searching for Shein promo codes, and you're definitely not going to want to miss my future uploads. But anyway, I was searching on Google and I tested tons of Shein promo codes. Most of them simply don't work, or they give you very little, and the codes that I've managed to find are definitely awesome, and you're going to want to check these out. So use your mobile internet browser to obtain these Shein coupon codes, guys. So just open up the internet. I'm using an iPhone, and you can go to this website, www.crashcoupons.com. So let's just go ahead and type that in. Make sure you type it correctly, exactly how I'm typing it. Crash Coupons. And what it's going to do, it's going to bring you to this codes website. And as you can see, they have loads of pages that are not Shein. So I do recommend just using the search bar where it says at the top, search here, and just typing in Shein, guys. That's going to bring up the Shein promo codes page. Now there are actually 3 verified codes on here, so let's scroll down and see what's available. There is a $100 Shein promo code, and this is the one that I'm focusing on for this video, but they do have a Shein points code where you can get 10,000 points and also a awesome gift card. So basically just select the promo code here for $100 off your next order, and then you need to click on show full code. And what this is going to do, this is going to allocate you a valid working Shein coupon code. And these are working in 2026. And you can see it's basically allocated you a code. But because these are limited codes with 220 remaining, you do need to unlock your personal code, and this basically stops people taking more than one of these codes. So click on get full code, and then there's going to be a set of instructions telling you how to get your Shein coupon code. It is super easy. I did this earlier and it took me about 5 minutes. You just need to complete 2 of the free offers below to get your Shein code from Crash Coupons, and make sure you follow the instructions below each app. So basically, guys, as you can see, there is a list of tasks. They're all completely free. You need to make sure you complete 2 of them, making sure you read the text below each one, because that basically just tells you what to do. And if you complete 2 of them, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Shein promo code will be fully revealed here. So the full code will be displayed. You can copy it, redeem it in the Shein basket or at checkout, and that is going to remove $100 off your next order. So that is it. Go to Crash Coupons. These are definitely the best Shein coupon codes. They have other codes as well. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Peace out.